In today's video, I'm going to teach you Google Drive, how to download all files from your Google Drive to your computer at once. This walkthrough uses Google's own export tool, so you can grab everything in one go, perfect for backups, moving to a new computer, or keeping an offline copy. Before we begin, make sure you have a stable internet connection and enough free space on your computer because the export can be large and may arrive in multiple files. Start by opening Google Drive in your browser. Once you're looking at your Drive home screen, head to the top right corner and click your account avatar to open the account menu. From there, choose Manage your Google account. This switches you from Drive to your Google account settings where all of your data tools live. In the Google account page, look for the Data and Privacy tab along the top. Click it to access the controls related to your information. On this page, scroll down until you find the section called Download Your Data. This is where Google provides access to Takeout, the official service for exporting your content, including your Drive files. Click into the Download Your Data section to open Google Takeout. Takeout bundles your files into downloadable archives, making it straightforward to capture everything at once. The default selections are designed to pull your content, and for this tutorial, we'll keep things simple and move forward with those defaults. On the Takeout screen, click Next Step. Then on the following screen, click Create Export. That's the key action that tells Google to start packaging your files. You don't need to stay on the page while it works. You can leave the browser window or continue using your computer. The export will process in the background. Here's what to expect after you create the export. Google will begin preparing your Drive archive. For large drives, this can take a while, and the final result may be split into multiple download links to keep each file a manageable size. When the export is ready, you'll receive a notification, typically by email, with links where you can download the archives to your computer. Keep an eye on your storage space and choose a destination folder you'll remember. If your connection is slow, consider letting the downloads finish without putting your device to sleep. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Don't share your export links with anyone as they contain your files. If the process takes time, that's normal for big libraries. And if you need to try again later, you can simply repeat these steps, and that's it. You've initiated a full export of your Google Drive so you can download all your files to your computer at once.